and have pushed them back in. Let's see where this leaves us. All right, let's get this into the machine and let's get it the right way up. Our card will only go in one way. Let's be nice and careful. Nope, that way it is. All right, card is in. Get rid of that. Get rid of the bit of plastic that I broke off my IDE interface. Oh dear. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're right way up again to continue. So this was the solution to my problem all along. I cloned the big hard drive. I tried different compact flash cards. I tried different SD cards in my compact flash adapter. Every time I went to use the computer, it did not like the disk. When I finally got it to format, I could only do 512 meg. I'm like, I can't fit a 40 gig hard drive on 512 meg. I should have known, I should have realized. A BIOS so old on my lovely motherboard can only recognize 512 megabytes as the maximum hard drive. Every time this computer boots, it's been staring me in the face. On track drive overlay, there would be a note on the screen. So it turns out, to use big hard drives, this is what we need. So I've created my on-track floppy disk. Fingers crossed, this is all we need. Excellent, so we want to run the disk manager. Oh, look at those graphics. Pretty good for DOS, I have to say. Disk manager, hard disk installation software, 1985 to 2002. Yes, we will register the software. We will see the online manual for details. Hopefully all I need is just the easy disk installation. That's what I'm going to do. E for easy. It found one drive. Yes, the 32 gig flash card. Excellent. So we have a few options here. This one is going to be for my Windows 95 installation. So let's go the old FAT16. We're just going to go the top option there. Has a problem which creates false drive icons on drives greater than 8 point when shutting down to DOS and restarting Windows. Sure, good to know, good to know. Yes, happy for everything to go. Press Alt-C to continue. Alt-C. All right, let's see what petitions it's going to give me. 14 petitions with 2.13 gigabyte each. Yeah, I'm just going to go with it. There probably is a way, maybe a setting that I could have used that would have given me a big partition, because I know in the drive that's in there, it is one large partition, but we just want to get it working. Hopefully Windows will be okay with a bunch of different partitions. Remove the boot diskette, yep. Done that. Control-Delete. Cool, so our dynamic overlay has installed, it can see it, but we don't have an operating system. So hopefully all I'll need to do is just insert the operating system and press the C key when ready. Now, this is unopened, and it's going to become my copy of Windows 95, so there's no point leaving it in the packet. I bought it to use it, so let's go. Peeling away the plastic. Yep. Make sure I cover my certificate of authenticity and the serial. Don't want you all stealing my serial number. Any of you 6 subscribers, I know who you are. Yes, it is for distribution with a new PC. Shh, we won't tell Microsoft. Use the software program on the enclosed disks or on the installed computer, subject to terms of the license agreement. Okay, here we go. One more label to open. Going to use my trusty nice pair of scissors. Can I cut it down the middle? Let's see if that was enough to do it. There we go. Let's get the pretty diskette out. How long have you been in storage, my shiny friend? Now I am hoping that OnTrack has the CD-ROM drivers so that we can do the install, but if not, I did also create a Windows 95 boot disk and added in the CD-ROM drive, because the Windows 95 boot disk doesn't actually have the CD drivers. Anyway. Insert your operating setup into disk drive A. Well, okay. I feel like we're going to need the Windows 95 boot disk, but I came prepared. Starting Windows 95. Device name Banana. Of course it is. Awesome. It's the drive letter R. That's probably because of all of the partitions that have been created. Setup, is that what we do? Oh yeah. All right, you can routinely check my system. Sure. 1, 2. Remember the blue and yellow screen? I think it's now checking all of the partitions that I've made on my drive. Fantastic. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So I wonder the CD-ROM drive's probably going to be, yeah, R as we know. All right, that's good. Copying files needed. Now what I'm going to do is just have a look at the back, because you can see the hard drive light's no longer blinking because the hard drive now has its own little light on the back. I hope we are actually copying files and we haven't stalled. And I can't actually see, one of the little light is there. And it is not blinking. Oh, serious disk error. Oh. That could be me breaking the reader. Let's retry. I've got an idea. Let's try the OnTrack again. That took a long time. I wonder if it's got something to do with the damage I've made to the IDE reader. I suspect that it does. Okay, so this is showing me that it's not happy. I'm going to try and just touch the cable and check that I've still got it all in as best as I can. But yeah, the fact that this is not picking up the card, probably due to the damage that I've done. I think it's a power issue. Gosh, I should not be trusted with any technology, let alone retro technology. The pin looks a little bent. I can't even plug in a simple 4-hole power pin. That's all right. I do have a spare one of these. There's no power going to it. Oh my, for goodness sake. That's just absolutely shocking. Right. Oh dear. Let's try it again. Two did come in the bag, thank goodness. All right. Yeah, it does look a bit cheap and wonky. Okay, so it's not totally my fault, but now I know I need to be extremely ridiculously careful because they don't even line up very well. No, that's not, because they just pop back in the... Oh, what a load of crap. Oh. Okay, so this one's still slightly better, but still not good. Right. How's that done it? Yeah, this one's even worse. Like the pins literally aren't even secured. Fingers crossed.